Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Now we are talking about the real numbers. The set of real numbers, we know the rational number. Rational is a fraction form or a decimal form. And irrational is the roots, we can't write it as a rational form. What about the real number? Real number, two parts, either rational and irrational. So we can write q rational union q dash irrational, it's equal r, it's mean the real numbers. R two parts, one of them q and the other is the q dash. We know n is the natural, n subset of z and subset of q and the q subset of r, and q dash also subset of r. Are three parts, positive and negative and zero. Complete by using true or false. Any number, natural, integer, rational, irrational, real number. We know rational and irrational intersect between them phi. Q intersect q dash equal phi. We can't find any number either rational and irrational at the same times. Any number either rational or irrational. Negative 5, root 2, 1, 1.5, cubic root 27, 0.3 and root negative 1. First, negative 5. Negative 5 is not natural because natural 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. But it's integer, so it's rational. If it's rational, doesn't irrational and real number. Root 2, not natural and doesn't belong to z, doesn't belong to q, and belong to q dash, belong to r. 1.5 doesn't belong to n, doesn't belong to z, doesn't belong to, and belong to q, doesn't belong to q dash, belong to r. And so on. Cubic root of 27 equals 3. Natural, so it's integer, it's rational, and not irrational. 0.3, not natural, not integer. 0.3, it's rational because we can write it as 3 over 10. And doesn't irrational and belong to r. What about root negative 1? We know the square root of any negative number and find. We can't find any number time itself equal negative. So root negative 1 doesn't natural, doesn't integer, doesn't rational, and doesn't irrational, and doesn't real numbers. Complete. Q intersect q dash equal phi. What about q union q dash? Equals r. What about r positive intersect r negative? Any number positive or negative or 0. So r positive intersect r negative equals phi. And r positive union r negative equals r except 0. Equal r minus 0. R minus 0, it's called R star. What does it mean, R star? It's mean R except 0. R minus Q dash equal Q. And I minus Q, Q dash. Greater or smaller equals. By using calculator, root 5 equal 2 point. It's greater. Root 7 equal 2.6, it's greater, and so on. By using calculator, we can solve this answer. Arrange. First, we find the values, approximating value of the additional, and its order negative root 11, it's ascending, negative root 7, negative root 3, and root 5, root 8, and root 15, and so on. We can find the approximate value by using calculator and arranging as its following. Find the side length of the square whose area is 5 centimeters. We know area of square equals side power 2 or half d power 2, half the length of the diagonal. Side power 2 equal 5, so s equal square root 5. It doesn't belong to q. So why doesn't belong to q? Because we can't find root 5 as a rational 4. Find the edge length of the cube whose value is 1.728 centimeter per 3. We know the volume of cube equal edge power 3, so edge equal cubic root of 1.728 equal 1.2. It's belonging to